test 3. Hey guys, so that's what I've done so far is basically work on my chemistry stuff. So here's the table. It goes up to 30, down to 25 if you don't have anything there. Temperature-wise, you can't do much more than that. That's room temperature, plus a little bit of body heat. So you put a bowl down. You can then go and get a bag of ice, put that in our inventory, and some salt. So if you take the ice and you put it in there, there's ice water now. You go down to 0 degrees. You add the salt, you now have salty ice water, so you can go down to 10. Then if we take volumetric flask, it appears on the table, add another one, we get an Erlenmeyer flask. If we were to then, so I have acetone, hydrogen peroxide, you mix the two of those together, you're going to get acetone peroxide. It's deadly dangerous. So I added it in, now it's in here, acetone. There's nothing in this one, so we take hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is only 3% hydrogen peroxide, so when you add it into this, it goes down 100 grams. Everything is 100 grams. Confusing, but so it goes down by 100, and then you only have 3 grams in here because 100 grams at 3% is only 3 grams of actual product. So then when I add it together, mix, you get 6 grams of actual acetone peroxide, and it's pure, which is good. I'll do it again in a minute at above 10 degrees, and we will see what happens. So here's our pure acetone peroxide. We get 6 grams of it. Awesome. Walk away. Yeah. Also, I set it up so that it's not just like you put ice in there and you have ice forever. Obviously, that wouldn't make sense. So you put the bowl in, you put ice in. I lowered the time. Normally it's like 100 or so seconds, but we wait 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You get bowl, the temperature can no longer go down, and it's a bag of water. If we do the same thing again, if I were to do the same thing again, I would get, but if I did salt, I'd get salty water. There's nothing really to it yet. I don't think I'm going to ever make anything out of it, but yeah. So it's smart. It knows what it's doing, and it melts now. See, there's no ice in there anymore. There's no more texture. So yeah. All right. So now if we were to do it again, same exact thing except without the ice. So before we got pure, if we take these, we put them in here. There's nothing there. Add the acetone. There's only 90 grams in there. You get 90 grams out. At 150 grams, you're going to only put 100 in there, and then at 3% hydrogen peroxide, you only have 3% actual product. So when you run it, you get semi-pure acetone peroxide. That's not good because acetone peroxide, when it's made correctly, is almost stable, but if you do it above 10 degrees Celsius, it's actually very unstable. So now we have semi-pure acetone peroxide. So if we go over here, and let's see, we're going to need remote control detonator, remote control circuit, I should say, and a piece of garbage. So now if we mix remote control, so we can get a remote detonator or an unstable remote detonator. We add in semi-pure acetone peroxide. It requires 10 grams of it. Add in the plastic bit. We make an unstable detonator. Oh, it exploded. It's unstable. Don't use unstable acetone peroxide. We had 90 grams, it went down to 10 grams. Yeah. So if we make a pure acetone peroxide remote detonator, and we do this, plastic bit, remote control circuit, and pure acetone peroxide. We click remote detonator, we get it, ta-da, hooray. So, and it didn't explode, obviously, it's stable. So you can then make it into a pipe bomb, which is what you see on the ground there. It's a little pipe bomb, and when we detonate it, everything explodes, all the glass breaks, the game lags because I'm running the camera on it right now, so it's shitty. But yeah, so that's the junk I've made. But basically, this thing is crazy, and it does it properly. So like every chemical comes out in the right amount. So like if I put in 100 grams, I'm going to get out the right chemical amount that I should get out, which is cool. So that's everything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I figured I'd show you guys really quickly. I messed up, and obviously when that thing exploded in the last video, it didn't show anything cool happening. So let me do it again with actual physics enabled. So detonate, and everything kind of like flies around, depending on the size of the explosion. Everything moved around, everything broke. Yeah, so there's that. See ya.